for this.
Start na. Chara. Muna tayo sa mag-jogging ba? Apilog panran yan. Mga undaan. Di ba? Biya to sa kanon, Bi. Kaya ano, mapapas ang lipstick ba? Warm up.
Nice work, runners. In the ring, way to show up.
Warm up.
We can conquer the first ever Cebu International Half Marathon and Run Two Tops. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few, we will be shared by one of our area move forward, second wave. We will be releasing you in a bit. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes. And 10K. All right. Everyone, same as the first wave. Let's go and enjoy, have fun, best of luck. Let's check on our time right now before we release.
Ay. Rain or shine, here we go. Tira sa bibi, oy. Yan, apil ang bibi, oh. Run to tops, oh. Thank you. I get my first medal. Yes, we get the first medal. Okay. Thank you.
Congrats!
Thank you. Hey. Woo. Thank you.
Lapo lang.
Alright. Second medal unlock. Second medal unlock.
Maglaban! Maglaban ang top! Let's go!
This is it. Tops now. Time check 4:13.
Congratulations sa Canada runners! Entertainment Organizing Team, Mandawi Runners Group, from Idol Wakey.
Again, naapag tayo mga 10K. Kapag walang niabot, congratulations.
Yay!
Okay, tatak.
Des bibit na sakit ng buto yan.
Thank you. Mugi.
Ayan, sige lang ito lang sugatan na to.
Okay, thank you. Ate,
Hi. Hello. Minsan pa.
Ay.
Alright, thank you so much to all of our sponsors.
Sure. Budalo sa babaw, oy. Ito na mo, oh. Good kay view, oh. Kasahin niya kung ano lang ba. Buta na yung hon.
Crossing the finish line, no? So when you do post online, yeah, very quick because we know now we're going to announce our. Okay, I do have an Instagram account and Facebook page. You can follow me on my Instagram at Chris Hanson and my Facebook page is Chris Tiffany Hanson.
Look. Wow, no sunrise. We got it. We got it. Gaps. Oh, di ba? Look, ang nice sa fog. Oh, oh, foggy. Ah, sige, sige. Ate, nana ba ka sa Giselle, no?
Nana.
Nana? Wow!
Pa-picture siya.
Wow! Congrats! Manong jogging kay nanganhiman sa Intoys. Intoys. The trendy and pinakasikat diri sa Cordoba.
Ano ang kabaya din natin?
Awa guys, count tag bitin. Wala, bitin. Look. It's snake. Meron silang kaon, no?
Why ko dan?
Oh. Sige.
Pero ba?